Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm sharing with you guys our baby girl's nursery tour because it is literally the only room in the house that I finished. The rest of the house is a mess. There's boxes everywhere. It's fine. If you guys are new to my channel, first off, hello, my name is Carly, but you probably have clicked out already by now because I'm a psycho. If you are new to my channel and don't know, we moved into this house. We had 3 weeks to get the house put together. We found out I was getting induced. We decorated the nursery the day before. About 80% of the way finished. I have a whole labor and delivery vlog where we actually decorate the nursery. If you guys want to see that, I will link that down below. If you guys like this nursery tour, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up to let me know that you guys like home decor videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you do like home decor videos because I have plenty of new ones coming soon. Let's get into her nursery tour. So this is our daughter Kennedy's nursery, and when I found out that we were pregnant with a girl, I knew immediately how I wanted to decorate the nursery. I actually knew how I wanted to decorate her room before we even decided on a name. I fell in love with this wallpaper the minute I saw it. I thought this would be perfect for our daughter. When we were trying to pick out baby furniture, it was really important for me to find furniture that we could use for years to come, either in future nurseries, so the furniture needed to be gender neutral, or having the furniture be convertible. So we settled on this 5-in-1 convertible crib. This is the Rivers crib, and this is from Baby Relax. It converts to a toddler bed, to a full-size bed, and I really like that I could use this for years and future children. We have blackout velvet curtains hanging in the nursery, so it's really nice. We can just close these up and the room is super dark, or we can have them open for a lot of light. Next to the crib, we actually have a little pink bin, and this is where we store all of the baby blankets and just like little toss blankets and things. And then also we have a 3-shelf nightstand next to our glider, and this is where we can put spit cloths, we can put stuffed animals, we can set bottles during the night when we're doing late night feedings. I found this tufted poof that I'm using as an ottoman for our recliner. When we were decorating the nursery, my husband really wanted a big comfy recliner for late night feedings, and I wanted a glider that would look good in the nursery. So we settled on this one. This is actually the Michaela swivel gliding recliner from Baby Relax. It's kind of the best of both worlds, being a recliner and a glider, and we spend so many hours here rocking our baby. One of the things I knew that I absolutely wanted in the nursery was a chandelier, and I found this little chandelier. I think it is so perfect and totally completes the feel and vibe of the room. On the other side of the room is her dresser, and I opted not to have a changing table and a dresser because this dresser actually has the option to make it into a changing table by adding this topper. So I got the topper to make it into a combo changing table and dresser. This is actually the Rivers dresser from Baby Relax. And then her laundry hamper is off to the side. It's just this cute little metallic hamper. And that is Kennedy's nursery. It's not totally done, but I wanted to show you guys what it looks like currently. It's my favorite room in the house. Alright guys, that was our baby girl's nursery tour. If you liked the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up to let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see new home decor videos. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram because I'm always posting updates of Kennedy on my Instagram stories and on my feed. If you guys want to see baby updates. Maybe you don't. I don't know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you over on Instagram. Bye!